kind of, sort of, possibly good news for us here in California about guns. More on that coming up today on The Hollywood Conservative for The Rebel. If I was a day drinker, or still was, I would be popping bottles right now. I would be popping champagne because technically, right now, with California being a part of the Ninth Circuit, open carry is legal with a permit, although no one here except law enforcement in LA has a permit. Now, again, on technicality, I possibly could and maybe in the future would be able to carry, but I will not right now because this is Commie California and they will find some way to bastardize and skew this judgment, but at least for the moment before it gets bounced back to lower courts and then it's revisited in circuit court. Also, because California likes to act like its own country and ignore laws, who knows what's going to happen here, i.e. immigration. Now, a little bit of background. In LA County, I cannot carry a pistol without a permit. I can't get a permit unless I am law enforcement or show some reasonable cause of necessity. And believe me, I have tried. Every time I get a crazy stalker who somehow gets a hold of my phone number and starts texting me or calling me, or every time I get a death threat on social media, I file a police report. Not because I am paranoid, but because I would really like to have a paper trail and evidence of every time I deemed it a necessity for me to carry a permit here in LA. Someday, after I have had time to do my research and do a little bit of judge shopping, I might try to appeal to a conservative judge that, as a conservative in Los Angeles, if there is anyone who deserves to be able to carry a pistol and protect herself, it's midget me. So basically what happened is a partial panel from the Ninth Circuit, 3 judges, ruled 2-1 that openly carrying a firearm in public is legal. The case was brought by George Young in Hawaii after he was twice denied a permit to carry on the grounds of Hawaii's open carry ban. So this is a rebuttal to Hawaii's earlier ruling that Second Amendment protections apply only to carrying in one's home, which makes absolutely no sense. But anyway, about the ruling, Ninth Circuit Judge Diarmuid O'Scanlan said this: "We do not take lightly the problem of gun violence, but for better or for worse, the Second Amendment does protect a right to carry a firearm in public for self-defense." Damn right it does. Thank you for recognizing that. Okay, so maybe I should clarify my excitement from earlier. I might have rambled on a bit. The Ninth Circuit has ruled that it is constitutional to carry in public to protect oneself. In California, you have to have a permit, so for me to carry, I still have to have a permit. And it has been the policy for years that here in LA, even if you carry, your gun has to be unloaded, I think. I don't know for sure because, again, I've never had the luxury of knowing because I was able to carry here. But again, all of this is contingent upon what happens with this case. In the future, it will likely get bounced back down to a lower court, or it will be reheard in front of the full Ninth Circuit. Now, I will be staying on top of this because this interests me and it pertains to me here in California. And again, I would very much like to be able to have a conceal or open carry permit. I'm not picky. I'll take either one. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'm Amanda Head, the Hollywood Conservative for The Rebel. If you enjoyed my commentary and want to hear more from all of us here at The Rebel, subscribe to our premium content at www.therebel.media/shows. Make sure you're following us on Facebook and Twitter for all of our latest news, and download our new app for The Rebel Media. That way you will have instant access to all of our latest videos and your favorite Rebel shows. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Amanda Head for The Rebel.